Transforming your balcony into a flourishing garden is a delightful way to bring the beauty of nature to the urban living. Balcony gardens offer a sanctuary where you can unwind, relax, and connect with greenery. We will explore creative balcony garden design ideas, inspiring you to create a lush oasis that maximizes your outdoor space. Maximizing space. Balcony gardens require careful planning to make the most of limited space. Vertical gardening is a popular technique that utilizes walls and railing to hang planters, allowing for a vertical display of flowers, herbs, and foliage. Compact, space-saving planters and hanging baskets are ideal for balconies, while balcony railing planters make use of vertical surfaces. Utilizing tiered shelving or plant stand can also help optimize space, providing multiple levels of displaying plants. Choosing suitable plants. Selecting the right plants for your balcony garden is crucial. Consider the amount of sunlight your balcony receives and choose plants accordingly. For sunny balconies, vibrant annual flowers like petunias and marigolds thrive. Shade-loving plants like ferns and impatiens are perfect for balconies with limited sunlight. Compact vegetables and herbs such as cherry, tomatoes, lettuce, and basil can be grown in containers. Incorporating a mix of plant varieties creates a visually appealing and diverse balcony garden. Creating ambience. Enhance the ambience of your balcony garden with carefully chosen accessories. Outdoor lighting such as string lights or lanterns can create a cozy and magical atmosphere for evening relaxation. Add comfortable seating and decorative cushions for a cozy nook. Incorporating decorative elements like windcames, colorful planters, or hanging artwork can add a personal touch and infuse your balcony with personality. Practical consideration. In addition to aesthetics, practical considerations are essential for a successful balcony garden. Adequate drainage is crucial to prevent water accumulation, so ensure your planters have drainage holes. Choose lightweight containers and consider the weight capacity of your balcony. Protect your planters from strong wind with windbreakers or trellises. Regular maintenance, including watering, pruning, and fertilizing, is necessary to keep your balcony garden thriving. In conclusion, a balcony garden is an enchanting retreat that brings the beauty of nature to your urban dwelling. By maximizing space, choosing suitable plants, creating ambience, and considering practical aspects, you can create a vibrant and inviting balcony garden oasis.